This is the stack mount installation tutorial for online 3-phase UPS series. This installation tutorial applies to all single-input models of online 3-phase UPS series and their compatible extended battery modules, known as EBMs. Please note dual-input models are also stack mount compatible. Important notice: before installation, please read the safety precautions that can be found in the user's manual, quick start guide, and/or other related documents. To start, unpack and verify the parts for the UPS installation and for the EBM installation. You will also need to prepare other accessories and tools before the installation. First, loosen the 4 screws to remove the front covers. Then loosen the 8 screws to remove the battery cover. Disconnect the battery connectors. Pull out the battery pack slowly and set them aside for reinstalling later. Loosen the 2 chassis fixed screws on each side. Turn the EBM over and install the casters with 4 silver hex head screws per caster. Flip the EBM back to its upright position and activate each caster brake after positioning. Attach the 4 stands using 2 black pan head screws and 1 silver hex head screw per stand. After finalizing the position, depending on the requirement, users may choose to secure the stands to the floor with 1 expansion bolt per stand. Repeat the battery pack removal procedure before stacking additional EBM units. Secure 2 fixed plates at the junction with 8 black flat head screws per plate for every additional unit stacked. Reinstall the battery pack slowly. Reconnect the battery connectors. Place back the battery covers and screws. Then the front covers and screws. Now the EBMs are installed, lay down the UPS on its right side and remove the casters. Stack the UPS on top of the EBM. Secure 2 fixed plates at the junction with 8 black flat head screws per plate. Remove the terminal block cover by loosening 4 screws, then loosen and reattach the cable glands. The input circuit breaker must be off before connecting cables. Route the power cable through the cable gland and verify that the phase sequence matches the UPS terminal labeling. Secure the terminal block main box onto the UPS using 4 black truss screws. Tighten the cable gland to secure the power cable. Finally, reinstall the terminal block cover and screws. Remove the battery PVC protective cover of the EBM. Connect the battery cable to the UPS and EBM. Connect the ground wire to the UPS and EBM. Secure the fixed plate to the UPS with 2 black truss screws, fasten with a cable tie, then repeat for the EBM. Repeat the steps to connect the battery cable and ground wire for additional EBMs. Turn on the input circuit breaker and the UPS begins initializing. Select the stack mount display orientation. Complete the initial settings by configuring the parameters. The UPS will run self-tests, which may take a few minutes, then transfer to line mode when ready for use. For optional inspection, verify that the UPS switches to battery mode by turning off the UPS input circuit breaker.